Ayun, dumating na ang Huawei Nova 12 series and inunan nila Nova 12 SE and Nova 12 SI. Probably on a latter date lalabas ang 12 and 12 Pro. Inside this box, tong phone na ito has 66 watts of fast charging, big storage at 256GB, 32MP ang front-facing camera, 108MP na triple camera lens. And I heard maganda daw kanyang color green. Stay with me, don't you go away. So guys, nakita na natin ang Huawei Nova 12 SE. Itong phone na ito with a 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage will be priced at $15,999 and it comes together with a free na Huawei Band 8 for the early bird buyers. Official link on the description box. So right now guys, tuturuan ko kayo paano magkaroon ng native GMS dito sa Huawei Nova 12 SE natin. Check this out. If you're one of my subscribers, mapapansin mo before we did a tutorial here on Micro G services on how to make a native GMS here sa mga Huawei devices without entering into any third-party apps like Gbox. Sobrang sinimplify na ni Huawei dito, in-integrate lang nila. All you need to do is just to unlock it. It's very, very easy. Pasok ka lang sa app gallery, type in mo lang yung favorite G services mo, Gmail, Gmaps, G Drive. So let's just go for example Google Drive. So install na natin si Google Drive. Okay, so install. This is very important. So don't skip this step. So the following app needs to install and run Google Drive. I-wake up mo lang silang dalawa, no? Micro G Companion, Micro G Services. All you need to do is just hit install. Then ida-download na rin niya Google Drive at the same time. Then mapapansin mo gagana na siya. All you need to do is just log in your Google account dito. Then pagbukas mo, that's it. Then pagbukas mo nito account mo, that's it. Okay, so you need to do just sign in. Antay mo lang, no? Let me log in my credentials. Nag-login na ako. Okay, so next thing you'll see is working na yung Google Drive. So let's just check Google Mail. Ayan, pumasok na rin siya. Let's check Google Maps. So kita nyo sa Google Maps, nakapag-locate na rin siya. Then sa YouTube, it's already linked in na rin. So lahat ng Google services mo dito is very easy na. Just follow the simple steps that I told you. Magkakaroon ka na ng GMS dito sa inyong Huawei devices. Yung one thing na napansin ko, no, before, when I log into Call of Duty Mobile, ang hirap. All I need to do, hindi siya mapag-bind, no, kasi gumagamit siya ng Google accounts. Kailangan ko pagbuo ng Garena na account. But this time around, diretso na. Kaya na humugot dito na account ko from Facebook, then connect. Okay na. Seamless na ang connection ko ngayon. A lot of improvement has happened na dito sa bagong mga Huawei devices natin. So pag tinignan mo to phone na ito, it looks very luxurious. Flat na flat ang likod niya. It has a matte finish, which is probably one of the things that I love from this phone. It has a star effect finishing. Makita nyo, no, pag nailawan mo dito, itong part na may ilaw. So pag inilaw mo ilalim, yeah, makita mo rin may ilalim, may ilaw rin. Magandang kanyang effect, which I love and very unique on its own. And it also has yung kanyang camera module, which is a star orbit ring na design carried over from yung mga flagship nila like the P series. Now, itong phone nito comes in two colors, either go for the green or the black. I'll go for the green. Animo lasad. Now, one of the other things na gusto mo dito is manipis ang phone na ito. Only 7.3mm thick, which I think is perfect for gripping. Okay na okay ang grip na dito sa aking kamay, which I don't have any problem. Hindi siya madulas sa likod. So, hindi mo ma-feel na mag-accidental drop ng phone na ito. Kaya na may grip siya. Magandang grip niya kumakapit sa aking kamay. And I heard from Huawei na meron siyang bagong nilagay dito, which is Touch Turbo 3. Yung kanyang bagong technology ensures you with a better touch response dito sa phone na ito and a more accurate touch, lalo na pagdating sa gaming, which we'll see a little bit later. Now, ang kanyang processor is nothing really impressive. It's the Snapdragon 680. I know sasabihin nyo, again, 680. I mean, sobrang optimized itong chip na ito, sobrang overly used na. Probably one of the good things naman dito sa kanya is that you're not really chasing gaming on this phone. More of yung efficient usage mo dito sa phone na ito. Many consumer might think na, ay, 680 na naman. But on the majority of the others, sasabihin nila, okay lang naman, nagagamit naman, it's efficient. 206,000 points nakuha na sa Antutu benchmark. And this is the breakdown score. Mababa lang ka ng score, no? 126 sa Wildlife Extreme, but it has a 98% na stability. Ito ang score na sa Geek Geekbench. And ito score niya sa GPU benchmark sa Geekbench. Thermals is good. It throttled to 92% ang kanyang maximum performance. Now, itong phone na ito has a level 3 na wideband security level. And I'm sure na hindi ka makapanood ng mga HD dito. But let me show you yung ganda ng kanyang display. Itong phone na ito has a 6.67-inch na OLED Huawei full view display. It has a screen resolution of 2400 by 1080. Ang kanyang screen to body ratio is 92%. Then it also has a 90Hz screen refresh rate and a 270Hz of touch sampling rate. Na kung ang hilig mo naman dito is social media, I'm pretty sure na scrolling on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, lahat, walang problema dito. Smooth naman naging experience ko dito sa phone nito. Now, if you're watching mga videos naman dito sa phone nito, I would assure you na maganda, right, ang display ng OLED ni Huawei, and definitely you enjoy kasi buong-buo ang screen mo dito, manipis ang kanyang bezel, and hindi masyado sagabal ka ng punch hole na camera. Now, probably one of the drawbacks dito sa phone nito is that it has only one loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim. Wala dito sa ibabaw. Pakinggan na natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sagad na volume. Not so bad, hindi siya ganun kahina, katamtaman lang, and hindi siya ganun kalakas ang kanyang loudspeaker. Now, gusto lang natin quickly i-test ang kanyang Touch Turbo 3 dito by playing one game, Call of Duty Mobile, and this is the maximum graphical settings. And I would say na I'm playing this game for roughly mga 1 hour VR matches, no? And I would tell you na sobrang okay ang kanyang gaming dito, experience dito. The touch is fast, nag-respond naman siya agad-agad, wala namang nafe-feel na error sa napipindot ko. And as far as I'm concerned, ang gameplay was smooth, and I wouldn't say na I had feel any frame drops kasi wala namang na-feel. And probably the only best thing dito is magandang display. The only thing na mabibiting ka talaga dito is yung single loud firing speaker niya. Probably connecting to a Bluetooth TWS might solve the problem. Now guys, pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang highlight, ang kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito. And it starts off with a 108MP main camera sensor, a 8MP na ultra-wide lens with a 112 degrees na view, and of course, a 2MP na macro camera. This one can shoot you up to 1080p, and of course, ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 32MP na high-res selfie camera, which can also shoot you up to 1080p. And one of the things na pinagmamalaki ni Huawei dito is that this one has a upgraded selfie camera. Sabi niya, it has a upgraded beauty selfie. Makita natin sa mga samples. So let's talk about the performance and camera nitong Huawei Nova 12 SE. I'll say na when you're taking outdoor shots like itong mga subject na ito, you get some really nice details dito when you zoom it in. And if you further check some of the details dito sa button na ito, pag zoom in mo dito sa mga kanyang craters, well, maganda yung mga details na na-preserve niya. Now, if you take a look sa mga greens niya, medyo a little bit saturated yung pagka-green niya, no? Pag tinignan mo yung actual, medyo mas pale siya, but it looks good para sa Instagram. And looking at some of the flower shots, I'll say ang daming details na na-preserve niya dito, lalo sa kanyang petals. Now, if you take a look dito sa mga sky shot, makikita mo mga details ng cloud. It's not bad, no? If you take a look at some of these trees, very fine, parang ka nasa Baguio, no? Ang ganda ng ganyan details. But if you zoom it in, medyo feel mo a little bit grainy, probably because gumagalaw yung kotse, kaya nahihirapan siya konti kumuha. But pag hindi mo zoom in, halos okay naman ang kanyang details, no? Now, if you continue to check some of the shots, meron siya mga preset na zooming, no? So, this is a wide angle shot. Kita mo, ang ganda ng details ng clouds niya. I'm impressed, ah. Then, this is a normal shot. Now, this is a 2x zoom shot. And further, this is a 10x zoom shot. These are all based this kind of preset. But that is a 10x, so I wouldn't say na it's usable. Medyo blurred na siya and very soft ng photo. Now, you see some inconsistency sa colors niya when you're using the wide angle lens and the normal lens, no? Mas darker blue when it's using the wide angle lens and medyo mas blue talaga pagdating sa normal lens. Well, sa 2x zoom, medyo preserve pa rin niya ang same color sa kanyang normal lens. So, taking another look, this is a Navotas Bay. This is a wide angle shot, a normal shot. This is a 2x zoom shot, and this is a 10x zoom shot. Well, honestly, hindi na usable ang photo. But you'll get an idea na it's a boat, no? Barko siya. Now, if you bring the camera indoor sa medyo low light, I would say okay naman mga shots niya dito. Di makita mo separation between the foreground and the background. Okay. Now, we'll see some really nice details if you zoom in sa mga product shot like this one. And of course, this one looks good. Now, if you check yung mga bean shot naman, pag zoom in mo, kita mo mga details ng beans. But medyo soft na pag sobra mong zoom in. Now, on a lazy Monday morning, this is how it looks like sa loob ng coffee shop. Now, kung kumuha ka ng mga figurine shot, I'm impressed na nakapagkuha siya ng this much details on this camera. camera. And as well as this one, it looks really nice, no? Preserve na preserve details, kitang-kita mo lahat ng details na gusto mo makita dito. Now again, using the wide-angle lens dito sa indoors, this is a normal one. This is a 2x zoom shot. And this is a 10x zoom shot. So kita mo, cool, coffee break. Very readable pa rin ang mga words dito sa kanya, which is quite cool. Now, sinabi ni Huawei, in-improve niya ang camera dito sa kanya front-facing camera. So, I would say na medyo nag-beautify konti. Unlike yung mga previous na Huawei devices na less beautification, this one, there's some beauty filters na enhancement konti, so nawala konti mga blemishes ko, nawala mga pores ng mukha ko, and further taking some other photos like this one, medyo mafe-feel mo a little bit soft, but medyo parang naka-makeup ako ng konti dito. Taking more shots like this, makita mo talagang kinis ng mukha ko, no? Which is kind of good if you're the type of person na mahilig sa beautification. Makita mo parang gumanda, very dramatic ang shots ko dito. And if you use this one sa lumaking studio with proper lighting, well, honestly, hindi ko lang kung bakit nawala yung mga filters niya, no? And bumalik lahat ng mga creators ng mukha ko. So, taking some of the character shot dito sa aking table, maganda. As long as maganda lighting mo, you'll be able to take in some good shots like this one and this one. Now, pagdating naman sa video, there are tendency na this camera can go a little bit soft. So, pagdating sa a little bit of the darker side, mapapansin mo medyo nagda-darken siya konti. Pag medyo maliwanag naman, nag-okay naman siya. If you use the rear camera, quite smooth, taking a 1080p na video, and yeah, walking straight, no, using just my bare hand, walang shake naman. So yun guys, napakita ko na sa inyo everything na kailangan malaman dito sa bagong Huawei Nova 12 SE. It has a really nice design, which probably one of the things that I love. Manipis ang kanyang phone, matingkad ang kanyang display, and yung kanyang camera is pretty good. Probably the only drawback is that it cannot shoot 4K the video, but quite stable ang kanyang camera sa likod. And yung kanyang beauty camera, well, has improved over sa mga previous na Huawei generation of phone. Ako personally, ang alam ko sa Huawei, ang kanyang front-facing camera is hindi masyado beautified. Very, very less ang kanyang filters. But this time around, medyo in-enhance ako. Makita mo sa mga mukha ko, no, doon sa pictures, is nag-smoothen, nawala ang mga pores, nawala ang mga pigyawat ko, which kind of looks good naman if you post it on Facebook and on sa Instagram. As a daily driver, this phone is good, and you better catch this one's kind of early bird dahil this one comes together with a free Huawei Band 8, which costs around 2,500 pesos. Free. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a sub to this channel will definitely be awesome. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.